Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and I'm Bob Johnson, and today we're going to talk about the progression that Panasonic did when designing their semi-rugged line of CF-50 laptops. Now I have a few examples here, and one of them that I really love, this is a popular model, the CF-52. This is a CF-52 with a 15-inch screen. It was touch. The last model, the MK, I think it was the MK4, ended up being an i5 processor, Gen 1. You can see how small the mouse pad is right here. Although the keyboard looks the same as what you might find, I will say the keyboard's better in the 52 than in later models. And then of course they came out with the CF-53, and you notice they all seem to start it out, they all have that silver top. The 53 came out, it was of course only a 14-inch screen, but it was about the same basic look. I didn't have one to bring out today, but then they came out with the CF-54, and look at that. They made it nice and thin, and I gotta tell you what, it was, in my opinion, the 54 as base to the 53, the 54 is not as rugged. It is not as rugged of a unit as the 52. But it is lighter. And then the 52 is a heavy beast, but the 54 is very flexible. There was always screen problems here. The mouse pad's a little bigger. The keyboard is backlit. It's not as replaceable as the 52. This keyboard tends to be hard to replace. So that's one of the differences I noticed. And then of course they went to the FZ-55 here, which almost looks like the same keyboard, although it's not. The mouse pad got a lot more sleeker. It's still thin, but I will tell you, I feel like the FZ-55 is a little better built than the CF-54. So this is the latest model. I do know this year they're coming out with the FZ-56, which we don't have, which will be interesting when we get to see that. But that's the progression of the CF-50 series of semi-rugged laptops from Panasonic. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.